Hi, I'm Katrina Pike, and we're exploring simple machines at Pickering Museum Village. Now, I'd like to dig in this garden. I'd like to move a few plants, but it's a lot of work if I have to use my hands or my feet. So there's a simple machine that can help with this. A shovel is a simple machine. I push down, creating force on the end. The fulcrum, a new word, is where the tool or the machine pivots, and the pressure to lift up the earth or move the object, which is the earth, is my hand and my foot making this into a lever. That's a simple machine. Much easier than using my foot or my hands. Now I wanted to move this earth and the plant over to another flower bed. So I can do this job one shovel load at a time, carrying it to the new flower bed, or there's another simple machine that makes this part easier too. The wheelbarrow is a lever also. Now you might be confused because it has wheel and axle at the front, but trust me, it's a lever. The wheel at the bottom is the pivot point. We call that the fulcrum. The force is me pulling up on the handles. See, I've levered it into a different position. Now I'm going to apply force again to push the wheelbarrow on its fulcrum and take it to the other flower bed where I can dump it. Two simple machines that are both levers that make gardening a lot easier. All right, now that I've had fun playing with levers, it's your turn. I have an experiment for you to play with. I'd like you to find a ruler, a pencil, and something to lift, a cell phone, blocks. And I want you to play with that ruler on its fulcrum, the pencil, trying to lift an object with one end. You're going to move the fulcrum around and experiment with it and see how it changes, how much effort you have to put into trying to lever something. Remember, with the shovel, the fulcrum was at the end of the handle. The force was down with my foot and then up with my arms and down at the same time. With the wheelbarrow, if you remember, the fulcrum was at the front, the load was in the middle, and the force was the handles at the other end. My second challenge, go around your house again. I want you to find as many levers as you can, count them. And the third challenge, follow the link below to our digital artifact collection and see how many levers you can find there. Whew, that was a lot of work. So I think I deserve a treat. Black cherry, my favorite. Spoiler alert, I just used a lever.